In a dream world, we'd all be hiring Sofia Coppola to shoot our video campaigns, but the reality is, most marketers have to figure out how to make Oscar-quality content on Oscar Meyer Weiner budgets. The good news is, the internet is full of free video editing software designed to help you make your video dreams come true. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook Reels, or Twitter videos, sometimes the in-app editing features just aren't robust enough to get the job done. That's why we've compiled this super list of the very best third-party video editing apps to add to your content creator toolkit. VideoPad. If you are just starting your video editing journey and want a very basic free video editing software, VideoPad is a good option. Where PowerDirector is loaded with features, this video editor for PC is comparatively scaled back. It is a great place to start, but eventually, you may outgrow it and want to upgrade. Beginner video editors will be able to familiarize themselves with its editing tools without spending anything. This free video editing software features a variety of pre-made transitions and sound effects, along with a few advanced features such as camera shake reduction tools, within a familiar and easy-to-learn platform. Key features: over 60 supported video formats, 3D and 360-degree editing, audio effects, chroma key. This video editor for PC offers everything you need to edit videos without much expertise. It performs most of the fundamental functions you can expect in free video editing software but doesn't go too far beyond that. We placed it above the other 3-star options, Vegas Pro and VSDC, because VideoPad is easier to use. Please note that VideoPad as a free video editing software is available for non-commercial use only. Pros: simple platform. Exports directly to YouTube and social media. Cons: limited advanced features. UI looks a little outdated. VideoProc Vlogger. VideoProc Vlogger is free video editing software that is aimed at beginners, hobbyists, and content creators who need advanced motion and speed effect tools. We think it is a great choice for editing action camera or GoPro footage. It has advanced speed adjustment tools and over 20 speed presets. This video editor for PC also comes with a video stabilizer, time-lapse tools, and motion simulation for applying tilt, roll, and dolly effects. Even though it has some pretty advanced effects, this free video editing software is beginner-friendly. It also has a learning center with helpful blogs and user guides, and a support center to answer any questions. Key features: audio extractor, remove noise/grain, advanced color correction, fisheye removal. VideoProc Vlogger is an easy-to-use video editor for PC for beginners with some advanced speed effects. However, professionals will find it lacking in overall video editing tools. If you have action camera footage you need to edit, we recommend our top choice PowerDirector, which has a dedicated action camera center and a full range of basic editing tools. Pros: low system requirements, no watermarks or ads. Cons: slow rendering, lacks some advanced features. Magix Movie Studio. Magix Movie Studio is a free video editing software for those interested in making video collages. We liked using the video collage templates with extra large manipulation tools where we could make precise adjustments to eclipse rotation and size. Like our top choice, PowerDirector, Magix Movie Studio offers tools for both beginners and professionals to edit videos. Storyboard mode offers one-click solutions such as remove beginning or split movie, while more experienced editors can use frame-by-frame editing and utilize manual tools. Key features: direct upload to social media, 900+ effects and transitions, deep color correction, layer masks. Magix Movie Studio does not have a dedicated free version, only a free trial, placing it below HitFilm and VideoProc Vlogger. Also, many users have complained of frequent crashing and of projects not carrying over to updated versions. Pros: tools for beginners and pros. Fast rendering, Cons. Stock library and templates only in expensive premium and suite versions. Frequent crashing. Movavi Video Editor. Movavi Video Editor is a free video editing software and a great way to edit videos for social media. With this easy-to-use editor, you can have a finished product in 20 minutes. Easily make YouTube videos with ready-made intros, animated titles, transitions, sound effects, thematic stickers, and social media-friendly aspect ratios. There are also some advanced video editing tools like chroma key, motion tracking, and time effects. Even though there is no learning curve, this video editor for PC still offers a built-in training module for added support. Key features: background rendering, video stabilization, stylized filters, voiceover. Because Movavi Video Editor is so quick and easy to use, it sacrifices a lot of features found in other editing software, and there is a lack of control over effects. Also, it only offers a 7-day free trial, making it the least accessible free version on our list. Pros: no learning curve. User-friendly interface. Cons: lack of control over effects. Slow rendering. Windows Video Editor. Windows Video Editor is free video editing software that comes built-in on PCs with Windows 10 or later. This free video editing software is a quick and easy way to edit videos, especially for Windows users who regularly use the native photo app. It has all the tools needed to bring your photos to life with a fun slideshow. You can add motion to photos and sync your show to the beat of your background music. It comes with pre-designed animations, a good collection of filters and themes, and the ability to edit videos with music. This video editor for PC comes with all the basic track editing tools, such as splitting, trimming, adding text, and adjusting audio. Key features: 3D effects, auto movie options, fade effects, customizable titles. Windows Video Editor is very simple to use, but has no advanced features and wouldn't suffice for anything more than a short, simple video or photo slideshow. That is the reason we ranked it below Magix and Movavi, even though they lack free versions. Pros: built-in on Windows 10 and later devices. User-friendly interface. Cons: very limited features. Linear editing, no layers. EaseUS Video Editor. EaseUS Video Editor is an incredibly simple free video editing software for those with zero editing experience. It features a large preview window, with large icons that detail the pared-down editing tools and features. With this video editor for PC, you can use basic tools such as trim, split, and rotate. We liked that it allowed us to easily mix audio and that the free version had no limit on video length. Key features: cut and merge video, video overlay, text-speech exchange, voiceover. While we like the free version of EaseUS Video Editor for brand new editors to get their feet wet, it is too basic for any serious video editing and does not include the effects and transitions found in the premium versions. We placed it last amongst the free video editing software that scored a publisher rating of 4 because the paid versions offer few tools. Pros: good format support, beginner-friendly navigation. Cons: very limited tools. Free version doesn't offer effects and filters. Follow for more free software available and make your videos with delight and on time.